That is gorgeous. Right, guys, we're at Aldi for another £5 challenge. Lucy Lou, there's £5. What are we going to have, Lou?
We're going to have some Spanish potatoes.
Oh, Spanish potatoes. I've not got the little man.
Well, I've got the basket. First off, we'll get these potatoes and they're 39p. Then a chorizo ring for 1.89. Right, I'm going to get one of these Schwartz, and this is the paella mix. It's authentic Spanish flavour. It doesn't matter that it needs rice, we're doing it our way. And that's taken us up to £2.87. We're going to get a red pepper at 59p. Right, I wanted to get an onion, but they don't do single onions. They're all like 95p and over, so I'm going to get something different instead. Spring onions instead, and they're only 50p, and that's taking us to £3.96. Let's grab some sweet corn at 65p. And finally, some plum tomatoes at 34p. And I'm going to be cooking this all in the air fryer.
And that's £4.95.
Yeah.
Right, Spanish potatoes, let's get it home.
And cook it up.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. So what exactly are we having?
Well, basically, I'm just doing peeled potatoes instead of rice. I'm making a real Spanish chorizo dish. It's just going to go straight to the air fryer. It's dead easy. I have got a paella mix, but we're not going to use rice like I've just said. Bung it all in. So first off, I'm going to get the potatoes into the air fryer. I'm also going to put half the paella mix on and bung them straight in. Next, I'm going to chop my spring onions up and my pepper. And I'm going to get these into the other side of the air fryer. Now the onions and peppers are going in. And then all the sweet corn. And the rest of the paella mix. Along with some oil. And I'm going to give these a big shake, coat it all up. And I'm just going to get the potatoes out the other side and give them a good shake. Add a little bit of oil to those actually now. Shake and all in. Next, I'm going to chop up all my chorizo. Now, people are saying that they take this skin off. I normally don't, so I'm actually going to take it off today just to see if there is actually any difference. And what a palaver that was. I don't even think that you needed to do that. Anyway, I'm going to get this chopped up. And whilst you're there, don't forget to hit the follow button for more savvy meals. Right, let's have a look and see how they're doing. Now, the potatoes looking amazing. So are the veg. I'm going to get the tomatoes into the veg side. I'm going to get all the chorizo into the potato side. And then get those back on for about 5-7 minutes, and then it's done. I forgot to chop my tomatoes up, didn't I? Done. Right, and they're ready. And the reason why I did them in different compartments is because I wanted to keep the chorizo and the potatoes a little bit more crispier than this side, or else they would have gone soggy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this into the bowl first, and that's all your veg. And then we're going to spoon the potatoes and the chorizo on the top, like so. And there you have it.
Another savvy meal from Lucy Lou. This looks absolutely amazing, this, to be honest. If you could smell this now, it's like so nice. Here we go, let's have a taste. The moment of truth. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. If you like Spanish food, paella, seasoning, it is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, give that a try, and if you want to copy it, this is the receipt. Available from Aldi, and you can get it for £4.95. Bargain.